Once upon a time, there was a man named Jesus who lived in a land called Israel. He was very kind and wise, and many people loved to listen to him speak about love, peace, and forgiveness. One day, Jesus decided to ride into Jerusalem, the big city, on a donkey. This might seem like an ordinary thing, but in those days, it was a big deal. People heard that Jesus was coming. So they lined the streets, waving palm branches and shouting, "Hosanna, blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord." The people were excited because they believed Jesus was going to save them and bring peace to their land. They spread their cloaks on the ground for the donkey to walk on, showing great respect for Jesus. But not everyone was happy about Jesus' arrival. Some of the leaders in Jerusalem didn't like him, and felt threatened by his popularity. As the week went on, things took a turn. Jesus knew that some people wanted to hurt him, but he continued to teach and help others. On the Thursday of that week, he shared a special meal with his closest friends, which we now call the Last Supper. Unfortunately, Jesus' enemies arrested him that night. They accused him of saying things that they didn't agree with. On Friday, they took Jesus to trial, and despite being innocent, he was sentenced to death. This might sound like a sad ending, but the story doesn't end there. Christians believe that Jesus' death was not the end, but the beginning of something amazing. They celebrate Palm Sunday as the start of a week called Holy Week, leading up to Easter Sunday, when they believe Jesus rose from the dead. And many people loved to listen to him speak about love, peace, and forgiveness.